Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Yakshi. Let's look at today's top headlines. Nationwide team of 25 doctor drafts guidelines for right to choose death. The recently issued guidelines for withdrawal of life support in terminally 3 patients by the Union Health Ministry is the culmination of collaborative efforts by 25 doctors from across the India. These guidelines define terminal illness as an irreversible or incurable condition from which death is inevitable in foreseeable future. Speaking with ANI, Dr. Sushma Bhatnagar, Chief Irish Cancer AIMS Delhi, said that it is not active or passive euthanasia, rather it's a way of giving treatment when it's inevitable. It is not euthanasia, active or passive. This is a way of giving treatment when end is inevitable. Dr. Bhatnagar emphasized that while technological advancements can benefit those who can be cured, there is no formal guidance for doctors on how to approach cases when the end is inevitable. In medicine, we are trained in diagnosis and treatment, but we are not taught how to handle situations when recovery is not an option. Consequently, we often continue treating patients despite knowing there is no chance of recovery. This leads to patients spending their final moments in ICUs away from their loved ones while we utilize resources that could be better spent on these who have a chance of recovery, she explained. By implementing this policy, significant benefits will arise, including improved understanding of diagnosis and prognosis, enabling patients and families to make informed choices. In circumstances where death is unavoidable, the process will be dignified, a right everyone deserves. We will adhere to all the 4 principles of medical ethics, prioritizing autonomy, providing beneficial care, and avoiding measures that merely prolong suffering, she added. That's all for today. Thank you for watching Medical Dialogue. Stay tuned for more updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.